buying a metal building is exciting, but one simple mistake can cause your project to be delayed before construction even begins. Before you order your Viking steel structure, there's one thing many customers often overlook: permitting. We caught up with local inspector Keith Kiger to understand what customers need to know before purchasing their Viking steel structure.
Here in Surry County, to get a building permit for a metal building, you will have to get environmental health approval to make sure you're not setting on top of your septic or your well. Also, you have to get a zoning approval before the building permit can even be released to you. So in North Carolina, any building that is over 12 feet in length, width, or height is required to have a building permit. So all counties are different, but here in Surry County, we would require engineers a set of drawings for a metal building, which would have the engineer's seal, the expiration date, the customer's name and address, and also the building company's logo on that paper. So here's a typical engineer drawing that we get from the inspections department. Right here you have your customer and address. Also they'll have an issue date, and then you have your company logo, metal building company, and the engineer firm, and here's the engineer's seal. Now every year the engineers renew their drawings, so that's how we'll know if it's outdated or expired. Most counties are different, but here in Surry County we accept the concrete design in the engineer's drawing of the metal building. So yes, here in Surry County we do allow it. So if you're looking at doing a metal building project, I encourage you to reach out to your local jurisdiction on their rules and regulations with the metal buildings, because every municipality is different.
Join us next time as we answer other questions from real customers to help you build with confidence. We'd like to thank Keith Kiger for sharing his expertise with us today. I'm Justin Yates, and this has been your Viking Building Brief.